area ho ya wie western wall no 66 AD and Israelites esa authority a Rome yes e mo tietio mo kire say wo mo so ni wo mo a eno na AD 70 ema General Titus onuko abosa abre na king Nero na ne wo
okay
enti ni papa Titus papa Vespasian na o ba be lead troops edaba Jerusalem enti anu mu ana Nero wuye enti rahini no ko Vespasian saso enti na se ne me Titus ko na kosiman nan enti 870 ena ono so yesuma no obae enti obae no obele siege na mpato siege ye kan twi mu say because that's what mobile around kwan ko Jerusalem they had to lay siege eche edi 4 months 3 weeks and 3 days.
Wow. 4 months 3 weeks 3 days. Okay.
4 days.
Okay.
4 months 3 weeks 4 days.
Okay.
It started Passover. Now the only year say Passover time no pilgrims one more by Jerusalem but their fashion now because they can't one of the 3 pilgrimages festival be draw you be call na Passover kan ho e dey call Passover no a ho ne kokko bo afore mu obo ade di all military mu Israel kunna mu ba Jerusalem enti wo mu so hu se sa abre no na Passover ye du a ene o siege no aba bishia o mu manipa ba mu
okay
then so person okọ di aye ma nko because broken
yes
no create ekom aduane be short
okay
enipa ho kire no because nipa na do so okuro no e chense ne a
netie
ana we say mu so ayo madwin say ye ba for total destruction nti o mu bai the fall of Jerusalem no be kan kakra na fe enu ni General Titus.
Okay. Yeah, the fall of Jerusalem in April 70 CE, about the time of Passover, the Roman general Titus besieged Jerusalem. Since that action coincided with Passover, the Romans allowed pilgrims to enter the city but refused to let them leave. That strategically depleting food and water supplies within Jerusalem. Within the walls, the Zealots, a militant anti-Roman party, struggled with other Jewish factions that had emerged, which weakened the resistance even more. Josephus, a Jew who had commanded rebel forces but then defeated to the Roman cause, attempted to negotiate a settlement, but because he was not trusted by the Romans and was despised by the rebels, the talks went nowhere. The Romans encircled the city with a wall to cut off supplies of the city completely and thereby drive the Jews to starvation. Okay. By August 70 CE, the Romans had breached the final defenses and massacred much of the remaining population. They also destroyed the Second Temple, the Western Wall. The only extant trace of the Second Temple remains a site of prayer and pilgrimage. The loss of the temple for a second time is still mourned by Jews during the fast of the Tisha. Hebrew can say Tisha B'Av anase ave anade.
Tisha B'Av.
Tisha B'Av. Okay. Tisha B'Av. Rome celebrated the fall of Jerusalem by erecting the triumphal arch of Titus.
General Titus here we na chiobeye emperor.
Okay.
Ewo Rome. Na we a waka ni nyina no. E na be kire se. Enam effect na ba ye no. Ene na e ba ye ma e free ho. AD 70 no mass migration of Judah and Benjamin.
Okay.
And e ba ya ye be pie West Africa.
Okay.
Na sa history we ya moamoa no yenka no kure nkyere na opportunity aba me de ba be kyerɛkyerɛ mu abɛsane mu ama obi ate ne ho ase ne ehu efisɛ ye ba ye kura ye ka sɛ duru ba bi kura enkofo hu ye sɛ oh am kura am ye juufo am mu ya ho ye ba be da bibia di ama obi ehu sɛ na edi kan now graphic way July Daily Graphic 16th May 2019 Ghana Israel to solidify relations as 60 years of cooperation. Israeli ambassador ne kokan or twisty history. Na minim say Ghana for o mo de ombo mo nsem. Ya me pesa o kan if you say hana asem ni nyina wo. Ye be ba be the extra passage.
O say Mrs. Adai Kupa
na ni ya kwa no.
Okay. Mrs. Kupa Zubida said Israel was the country in the world that had terrestrial passage to Africa and claimed that, and I quote, the people of Israel crossed this passage to reach their homeland, unquote, adding that many Israelis who were currently living in Israel originated from Africa. I quote again, we are brothers and sisters, we are one family, she declared, saying that the former relations must have started 6 decades ago, but the strings of harmony between the people had existed for centuries and would exist forever.
Sinipi aka say obwa
adenti no obwa
in the so no was say denti o minim say ya ka say ye free Israel the buy tieniye
yes
the anointing yan Ghanaian ethnic groups
yes
nkrafo di homo wa o mo ka say migrative yo accounts ye the chieftains ni free ho and the others and nkrafo ye o mo na constitute the priesthood
yes
and o mo buy no an o mo to aso o ma ti we and o mo so ka oh yes so no and then me hwete no ba ye nyina na e ko then the woman say abe abrofu na muda ye before e je nyina ye one people nya no no ana kan o kan fi nyina ye one people then nyina akonya one history now I can say wo mo Israel say o mo nyina be fa Africa and sana o mo ko ho na make us obwa
okay
enya no kre na me ba be chirichiri
afachim
dey di kan wo ko document we Ashkenazis are not descendants of ancient Israelites.
Okay.
Jewish almanac. Asabo kan.
Or see the Jews admit that they are not the descendants of the ancient Israelites in their writings. Under the heading of a brief history of the terms for Jew in the 1980 Jewish almanac is the following. Strictly speaking, it is incorrect to call an ancient Israelite a Jew or to call a contemporary Jew an Israelite or a Hebrew.
What? Okay. The other day, I nipa bako. Yeah, say a Hebrew for. Now also, when we are Israeli, we can say a Jew because we are follower of religion called Judaism.
Yes.
Then you call him almanac mo 1980 almanac. Asemu ewo mu. Okay. The other day, I can't say. Na nipa.
That's why you.
Why you nipa bako. Story ne kure. Enti no. The omo kan obi akọ function ni bia bogu
okay
because enye no kure na oba ha last week you can Rothschild for asem
yes
ema wo hexagram e copy Israel flag so
yes
e copy hono no asem a wo mo I can say no ye the star of David ni ema nema yen kan ye Rothschild for no ankasa ne wo mo kan ho no mo ye himfo okay. Yes,
or say the Rothschilds claim that they are Jewish, when in fact they are Khazars. They are from a country called Khazaria, which occupied the land locked between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea, which is now predominantly occupied by Georgia. The reason the Rothschilds claim to be Jewish is that the Khazars, under the instruction of the king, converted to the Jewish faith in or about 74 AD. But of course, that did not include converting their Asiatic Mongolian genes to the genes of the Jewish people. You will find that approximately 85 to 90% of people in the world today who call themselves Jews are actually Khazars, or as they like to be known, Ashkenazi Jews. Okay, these people knowingly lie to the world with their claims that the land of Israel is theirs by birthright, when in actual fact their real homeland is over 800 miles away in Georgia. Where a map and a waha into a map on a chair. Okay, where the Khazar Empire and its heritage. And the war hobby bring
Georgia, yes. Europe.
Okay. Was it so? The next time you hear an Israeli prime minister bleating about the so-called persecution of the Jews, consider this: every prime minister of Israel has been an Ashkenazi Jew. Therefore, when all these prime ministers have curried favor with the West for their re-establishment of a Jewish homeland, they have knowingly and deliberately lied to you, as they were never from that region, and they well know it, because it is they who call themselves Ashkenazi Jews.
Can we? Encyclopedia Hodwo.
I will do this.
Encyclopedia Hodwo. Who Ashkenazi for new people.
Okay. Where Encyclopedia Americana 1985.
Yes,
Khazar, an ancient Turkic speaking people who ruled a large and powerful state in the steppes north of the is it Caucasus?
Mount Caucasus.
Yes, Caucasus Mountain.
Steppes of Asia.
Yes.
Gehazi, a copy.
Yes.
The copy the Omoka Caucasian Mountains are Caucasus, which lies between the Caspian Sea and the Black Sea.
Yes. Okay, in the steppes of north of the Caucasus Mountains, from the 7th century to their demise in the mid 11th century AD. In the 8th century, its political and religious head, as well as the greater part of the Khazar nobility, abandoned paganism and converted to Judaism. That is, the Khazars are believed to be the ancestors of most Russian and Eastern European Jews. And now by Encyclopedia Britannica now, 5th edition, 15th edition. Khazars, confederation of Turkic and Iranian tribes that established a major commercial empire in the second half of the 6th century, covering the southeastern section of modern European Russia. In the middle of the 8th century, the ruling classes adopted Judaism as their religion. Okay. Oba Academic American Encyclopedia 1985 or say Ashkenazism. The Ashkenazim are one of the two major divisions of the Jews, the other being the other being the Sephardim. And then Encyclopedia Americana 1985. Ashkenazim. The Ashkenazim are the Jews whose ancestors lived in German lands. It was among Ashkenazi Jews that the idea of political Zionism emerged, leading ultimately to the establishment of the state of Israel.
So, okay, I said last week, we can say Zionism the political wind of Judaism.
In the late 1960s, Ashkenazi Jews numbered some 11 million, about 84% of the world Jewish population. And then the Jewish Encyclopedia, Khazars, a non-Semitic, Asiatic, Mongolian tribal nation who immigrated into Ashkenazis, are not the descendant of the ancient Israelites. Okay.
What can be brave? At me actually, if it's a the way when you know, the ambassador ne can ya no person or say what can't say the MWN and same man no, and they can say a twist of history.
Yes.
Because no. Now, what about more map nini migration AD 70 a palm no a honey ni a babetre.
Okay. Where a chronological breakdown of the captivities of the nation of Israel and the migration of the African Hebrews.
I don't know. AD 70 ne buy no for 1500 years no ade plane ni ho bibia no nti ye nan ya na enam so nti take ye 1500 years ene ma beduru ha ye ba not Sudan had mono not had mono and na old Ghana empire wo te ho ne ba be ye ahemfo kura nti Islam pagya ni Mansa Musa mu e convert ye omo pagya omo a ancient Ghana gu ye no ene ye to aso a e de be pie free ye present location ya ende ye hu ye say we ye Ghana
we Jerusalem ha no ana mbe fa Egypt so ha ana mo do no bi branch
say ye branch fa
Ethiopia ho
because South Africa omo mfa no kokodru South Africa
ti mo do ana mo topeten ye
eno be Bantu snake wa
sa Ashanti de Yoruba o
say ye nyina e ho de free ha
anya Yoruba ne Ashanti especially o ma ware sem no
your culture no full of Hebrewism anya de buy and ye buy no ye ni bibia kakra na say the chieftains de buy no kwa ahemfie bia at the entrance near the cement I the statue of a lion that is a sign of the Bible na kwaku e kan our class
okay
so ohini bi eko TV so ko kan say Hebrew for no mo ye nkoa ewo ama me ru akwa man ma hwe bi de
o men hia
okay say na o kan ayi ye ka say Israel for konkwaso mu Egypt no
na ya konkwaso mu Egypt emra ye ko no 70 people na ko sabe na Joseph odi de ena na busuafo ena ko ho and woman ko as slaves actually Joseph ni wo Pharaoh ni ho no na omo so no ma na kosoro no ena Egyptians no be ka say na de ne ya ma ho ho abedi kru ene ye saade a yempe kwan bi so ne enye wo e ho ne be dani wo Muslims enti no wo man ko
ti e ko ho as adehye aso papa
aso ti ase
no okro bi so no be fa na busuafo na wa ba kroma be ya be fa busuafo fi akurase aba na fi amotim no nwa do so enti wo papa na obefa mba na wawu ana efie wura na wo papa beta ne nchara no so wawu enti we asefo no se dai krofo ya anya wada o
sa ne ko ba
mo jife na fa
o sha setete se nyanka
sa ne ko ba ya enti no Hebrewism no de afai na aka ho nsem bebre ene no ye nsa mfa ma emeka because ade American no se me hwe manim na meko me correct misconception bi ma me ne kan enti na mama take advantage na fe obi a ho he bia no afa wo hunu say there's difference between a Jew and a Hebrew yeah kan o ba bia da say Jew for because you don't subscribe to any religion Judaism woman mu di akire and woman ye Jews
yes
we be we no misconception no cry kan we ewie ni afi ye video no
some misconceptions about the word Jew. The term Jew originated in the late 18th century as an abbreviation of the term Judean and refers to a resident of Judea without regard to race or religion. People now referred to as Jews were known as Pharisees. Judaism, okay, Pharisees, full stop. Judaism today and Phariseeism in the time of Jesus are the same.
What?
Okay.
What you mean? Can no church mu dia? Enti no Bible say Jew no started late 18th and
18th.
Enti no description behind Jesus, King of the Jews. One, I know they dey confusion kofo. Because there was nothing like say Israel for all of a sudden they be from Jews. Enti enu nti no obi hu Jew for about ane yenko Judaism yenko ye when me nyina ye misconceptions a say opportunity we ye declare bibia ema bibia efiri ho ya yenko we second video.
Your second video no or say Ashkenazi Jews imposters in Israel.
Yes.
Na ye kwa sa video na ba na prepare video no fa me form message kakra so em fa ntwam no mu say ye no mo ana edi dwumadie no na ye fa prepare videos no we was say in this age of Aquarius this is the message we need. Keep on enlightening black people. Thank you, Wake Up Africa, PY a champion. I don't know anyway a buyer. We also say I'm watching you live from Edra. Shalom to all viewers. I'm Okoro. Okoro, Grafo, Munina, Yabasha Regional Capital, 24th, Memendana, or Grafo, Momwano, Namomra. Sometimes it is good to close the Bible and follow other teaching and history like yours to know what is really going on from Agama or Boise. Greetings.